Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we are going to spatchcock a whole chicken. That's all we're going to do today. It's a quick video. I will do another video showing how I cook a spatchcocked chicken, but for now I just want to show you how I cut this chicken. Now if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, so why even spatchcock a chicken? Well, it does cook faster than if you just stick a whole chicken in the oven or somewhere. Plus, a lot of times people, when they want to grill an entire chicken, they'll spatchcock it so that it lays flat on the grill. If you're wondering what the word spatchcock, it's pretty much just removing this backbone and then butterflying the chicken. All right, enough of my yapping. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I've got here, this bird is about 4.5 pounds. See, it's nice and intact. It's got wings and stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and basically remove the backbone. So how do you find the backbone? It's just right in the middle, right here. All right, and I've got here some kitchen shears. They're more for than opening up packages, and we're going to use that to cut up the backbone. So I'm going to go here on one side and just cut up. And yes, I'm going to cut through cartilage. Might cut a bone or two. Now sometimes I get a little pesky bone on these bigger chickens up here, and what I'll do if that happens, I kind of just either break it or cut through it. What is that on my chicken? Ooh, icky stuff. All right, and so we've got that side cut, so now we're going to go to the other side. All right, and this is my backbone that is connected to some tissue. And we're going to remove that, and basically you could just toss this if you want, or use it to make chicken stock, or whatever floats your boat. What I usually like to do is save those in a freezer bag, and I do this enough to where I get enough so that I can go ahead and make chicken stock. I usually wait till I have about 4 of these actually before I decide to make stock. All right, so here is my somewhat butterfly chicken, and I'm going to go ahead and do another thing. So I've got here a pretty sharp paring knife. As you can see right up here, this is what's gonna basically stop us from basically laying it flat. So I wanna kind of cut a little bit of a slit up in here. Nothing too deep, just give it a little bit of a slit so that when I go to crack this on the other side, it'll lay flat. I kind of went all the way through. Oops. That's fine. All right. And then I'm going to cut. There we go. Much better. All right. So I'm going to turn this over. Now, a lot of times you'll see people kind of just use their thumb or their thing to this part of their hand to push that down. I'm just going to flip it over and kind of pull it apart a little bit. Not all the way, just a little bit in there. Pull the little leg muscles out, and now your chicken is laying flat. Now this is a big bird. This is a 4.5 pounder, but as you can see, it's laying flat. Turn on the other side, you can see it in there as well. And so this is good for grilling or, you know, just faster cooking. Generally when I do this in the oven or when I do a whole chicken in the oven, it takes usually about an hour or more. I can probably get this done in 45 minutes in my oven, and in my air fryer about 35 to 40 minutes. And what I'm going to do now that I've spatchcocked it, I like to cut off all this excess fat because I don't like it. So I'm just going to get rid of that and toss that in the trash. All right, and there you have it, an easy way to spatchcock a chicken, which is gonna get your chicken to cook just a little bit faster. All right, guys, until the next time, let me go wash my hands. Bye.